Welcome back to my channel again, guys. Today I am doing a very romantic look. Tell me what? Yes, you guys are right. 14th February, the Valentine romantic look with the red lipsticks. And without further ado, let's start the makeup, and I am so excited for this look. I'm using the Pixi Beauty Tonic to clean my face, and then I already cleaned it by the way, and then I'm going to prime my face with POREfessional. And then you're gonna use the Mercier this liquid oil, but shake it before you use it. We are using the MAC. Now I'm going to use the MAC Strobe cream. I'm going to use today the MAC Longwear NC40 as far as my foundation today. I'm trying it first time. I am going to use few drops of this. It's from Sephora. It's called Radiant Luminizing drops, and I'm going to mix it with my foundation just to have some extra glow. With my damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend it. Now I'm going to conceal my under eye with Shape Tape. My color is light medium. This is from Tarte. It's called Shape Tape. It's amazing, amazing. Just buy one and you see how good it is. It's going to jump up your makeup game. Trust me. So many concealer in the market. My two favorite. One is recently I'm obsessed with it. A lot of YouTuber is obsessed with it. The second one is from Maybelline. The other one is my favorite, is Fit Me from Maybelline. And then I'm gonna do my nose. I like to do it one part at a time because it dries very fast, then it's hard to blend in. I'm gonna do the reverse contouring with the liquid. First I'm gonna do the contouring with liquid, and then with the powder. Today I'm gonna use from Eva Pearl. This is her palette. This is her palette. You can mix and match whatever you like. So I'm taking this color and just a little bit with my finger. I'm gonna just dab it wherever I want the contouring, but at the end of the day I'm gonna do the powder contouring also, just to enhance little bit. Now I'm gonna buff it in. I'm not dragging, I'm just trying to blend in with my beauty blender. Now to set everything, all the good stuff we put, we're gonna use the setting powder. So underneath, as usual, I'm gonna use this white translucent white under eye whitening powder from Mercier, and the translucent powder for the face. This sponge has a curve, so that's why I like it. I'm liking it nowadays to do my powder routine. So I have done my eyebrow ring just behind the camera because it takes too long. So this 3 product, as usual, you guys know, it's my holy grail. So from Benefit, and this is from NYX. So that is it. So I'm using soft ochre with this BH Cosmetics brush to my eyelids, and in the tip of the brush I took a little bit, and then I'm doing my lower line also. So again, using this beautiful palette again, and I will be using an interesting color today on this. First, the transition color will be so boozy, oh my god, how cute. I'm gonna saturate the color all over without any paying attention, without being careless, putting on my eyelids so boozy. I'm using the brush. I kind of like small brushes. I don't know, I feel more control on that. It's a Bobbi Brown shadow brush, 2-sided shadow brush. So I am going to use that to cut my crease here. Before that, I just felt that I should do a little bit more deeper my crease. So going back, chocolate truffle, and just a bit, little bit, not much. I'm gonna use to cut crease my MAC Select Cover Up in NC25, and I will take it to my Eva Pearl palette, just a little bit, because for other eye I don't want to squeeze it right now. And the flat side of that brush, I will take it and slowly cut the crease. See how I did it? So this is the way it will be, and this will guide me how far I will go with my black eyeshadow. Now I'm using Morphe 421 brush. This is a flat, nice brush, and I'm using the chocolate gold. I'm not dragging the brush, I'm just like patting it on my concealer to get the depth of the gold color. See, when I drag it, what happens? See? So I like to dab it. So now I'm gonna use this black color from the palette. I changed the brush, it's 4R41 because I think that brush had green color on it, so it turned a little greenish. But it's okay, it's gonna be a black glitter on top of that, so we're all good. On the corner, I'm going to use a Stila company's the Midnight. It's called Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, now I'm going to curl my lashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then some primer on my whatever 1 or 2 lashes I have left over. That's so funny. My hair is so light, lashes is so light. Now we're gonna do our underneath. the eyebrows. This is a rich girl I'm using underneath my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna do my lower eye with Morphe 515 brush. Take your wipes, using MAC makeup wipes. But my all-time favorite is the Neutrogena, the best makeup removing. I will be using the New Money, that color, for my underneath. To give it more drama, I'm using underneath that New Money Living Lavish. Now I'm gonna use the Kajal Blackest Black, my Inglot gel eyeliner. Using Big Shot Maybelline mascara for my upper lashes. For my lower lashes, I'm going to use MAC Extend Play Lash Mascara. So now my eyelashes is done. As usual, they were so naughty, and then my eyes are watering. In the corner, I'm gonna put the chocolate gold. The tear duct, I'm using Rich Girl with the Dose of Color pencil brush. I'm gonna make it a little less. So now this eye I will be doing off the camera, but in the meantime I wanted to do my powder bronzing. I'm using the Hoola bronzer and using my most favorite brush from Morphe. And since I had the creamy one, so now the powder will pop up very nicely. This set I'm gonna do after doing my eyeshadow, the other eye makeup. I'm using Morphe R37 brush. I'm taking the Sephora powder and putting it just on top of my contouring powder and underneath this to sizzle it more. I'm taking actually C4. I'm using Palm Flurry from MAC and using this brush from Morphe. For my nose contouring and my cheek contouring, I'm using from MAC. It's called Otherworldly. It was a limited edition. I don't know they make it or not, but this is something. This is everything. Okay guys, I finished my other eye of the camera and did my contouring and blush, which I did in the camera this side. So I'm using the MAC Chestnut lip pencil. Of course it's a Valentine look, so I have to use red, and what other color you can choose beside Rubio, the beautiful red. Okay, now I am so happy that I chose Ruby. Of course, I wanted to put the fRGrWE, but I can't find where I kept. I actually bought not one, two, because Ruby sometimes it's very hard when your lips are dry, because it's a dry lipstick, matte dry. So what happens, it's hard to apply, but fRGrWE is quite playable. But I think I'm happy what the color I chose. Only thing is not today. I'm happy, if you guys can see, this eye is tearing up like crazy. There is no tomorrow. So that's it. Concludes my Valentine's Day romantic makeup look. And the earring and the jewelry is from Minu's Creation, who has a boutique in Hicksville in our area. And the dress is from Anuki from Bangladesh. She is one of the biggest, very famous classic designer. I love her clothes. Anyway guys, so I hope you liked this creation and enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making this look for you guys. I'm sure you guys also enjoyed watching this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends and family to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Give me some love, give me some comment, and let me know what other different looks you guys would like to see. I always look forward to your request, and thank you for your love. Be glamorous and enjoy your life. I love you all.